Hi everybody, my name is Neshve and I am Igoski posture and alignment therapist. Today I'm going to show you some exercises for shoulder pain and discomfort or any shoulder problems. And hopefully this exercise is going to help you to align your shoulders and shoulder blades and mitigate the pain. Before we start exercise, make sure always check with the medical doctor and, and you're clear to do these exercises. And second, and if you have feeling any pain during the exercise and after the exercise, always stop or don't do the exercises. And you might need more individual attention. All right, let's get started with the first exercise. You need 2 pieces of towel. So everybody's gonna be a little different with those towels. So the reason we're using these towels, you're gonna see now, you go against the wall, you touch your heels, your butt, your middle back, and your head. So first towel is going to fill up your neck, the gap between the wall and your neck. And the second towel is going to go to your lower back. So usually we need a little bit thicker towel for the neck. And everybody's again different. You need to play with it a little bit and figure out how much thickness you need. And then second towel underneath the lower back. And that's it. Take your arms by your side, out the side with the shoulder level. This is very important, not low or too high. Okay. And then try to touch your forearms against the wall with your hands straight, your wrists straight. Try not to compensate like your fingers touching, but your forearms off the floor, off the wall. If you cannot touch the wall, it's okay. You touch your elbows and stay straight. And the goal of this exercise, you're sliding your arms as high as you can, like you're doing a diamond shape, and hands touching together. And you're gonna keep going up and down without shrugging your shoulders. Think about your shoulder blades moving up and down without elevating the shoulder. And this is too hard for you. You can keep the arms, hands on the wall. They are coming off the wall. Then you're gonna start with very small movement. Maybe you're just gonna go just this much. You keep your arms on the floor. That's the goal, on the wall. And hopefully eventually as you're practicing it, you'll get a little bit more movement and you go higher. How many should I do? The numbers is not very important as long as you do it right. So starting maybe 8 to 10 repetition and moving up to 20 repetition. If you're feeling your neck is tensing up or your upper back is feeling more, then please stop the exercise and then go back and try again. See you're doing a little bit better. Or you can always send me comments and feedback. You're going slowly up, bring the hands together and slowly down. Think about squeezing your shoulder blades down and together as you move the arms down. And as you move the arms up, try not to shrug your shoulders. And try to relax your abs. You tend to squeeze the abs too much. And keep your legs straight, your feet parallel to each other. All right, one more. And that's it. Next exercise called standing wall clock. So for this one, before we start, I'm going to show you how to do the golfer grip. That's the main part of this exercise. You're going to bring 4 fingers together toward the palm and squeeze them a little tight and your thumbs facing out like this. All right, that's our golfer grip. This way, your wrist is going to be stable and straight. So it's so important that you're doing this grip. You're going to face toward the wall. We touch the toes. Very important, you're touching the toes. And here we're going to do a little pigeon toe. And you're going to bring your toes together, heels out. You can touch your toes together, it's fine. But do your best that they are even and you're touching the toes against the wall. Okay? And your forehead is going to touch the wall. And trying to firm your thighs, squeeze your thighs together. And your back is going to arch a little bit naturally. So your back arches is your natural arch. And your thighs really tight here. Okay? Golfer grip. First one, we're going to lift the arms above the head and think about moving your shoulder blades down and together. And touch your hands, the pinky side of your hands against the wall and hold it here starting maybe 15 seconds, 20 seconds, up to 1 minute your goal. And when we're holding, we're just not just holding, but thinking about your pulling your shoulder blades down and together, not shrugging. There is no movement, you're just holding. Tighten up your thighs, let your back arch naturally, forehead touches, your toes touches. And second position, you're going to move the arms about 45 degrees from the body so you can look and check that they are level. In same position, your hands tight, your wrist aligned, you're not bending the elbow or the wrist doing anything. And pulling your shoulder blades down together and holding again 15 seconds maybe at the beginning and up to 1 minute eventually. If you're feeling your neck or your upper back, they are overworking here. So stop the exercise, you're not ready yet. Or just start only maybe few seconds. Third position, we're going 90 degree, opening the arms, align, and again, your thumbs facing back. Very important that you're not collapsing the shoulder like this. You're opening the palms, facing up, tight hands, forehead touches, tighten up your thighs, squeeze your shoulder blades down together as you're holding it, and again hold. Again, you're not shrugging, you're not bending, really nice and straight arms. You can see my shoulder blades now collapse. Now I am squeezing them down and together and just hold. Right, this is called standing wall clock. All right, third exercise, we're against the wall again. I'm facing you. This one, your feet is gonna be 2 to 3 inches away from the wall. You're gonna touch your butt, mid back, and your head. This exercise called elbow curl. You're gonna make that again, go for grip, squeezing your forefingers toward the palm and bring your knuckles into your temples and your thumbs facing down. Start position with your elbows out to side. Make sure you're not shrugging or you're not rounding. Nice and firm, touching your middle back all the time. The goal of this exercise is bringing the elbows toward each other without leaning forward or lowering your arms down. And we're going forward and elbows out. So elbows out, elbows in. When you're moving the elbows back toward the wall, the goal is touch the wall. And here, touching the elbows together. If you cannot touch your elbows, try not to compensate. It's okay. Eventually, hopefully, as you practice, you'll get better at it. No shrugging the shoulders, no lowering the arms. Sometimes what happens, I'm going to show it on the side. I want to touch my elbows, but then I'm going to kind of lean forward to do it. So that's not the purpose of the exercise. We want to be as vertical as we can. Okay? And doing with your right alignment, your feet parallel to each other, your abs relax, your butt mid-back touches the wall, and your head. And again, starting maybe 10 times, up to 20 times as you get better. And staying with your breath. Don't hold your breath. Inhale and exhale. And this is called standing elbow curls. Right. Next exercise, you can shake it a little bit. This one, you don't need a wall. So I'm going to stand a little bit forward for you so you can see. You're going back to the goal for grip. Standing with the feet forward. You're nice and vertical from head, shoulder, hip, knee, and ankle. First position, we're going to keep thumbs facing forward and your palms down. Nice tight hands. Shoulders out, arms out. You're straight. And before you move the arms, you're squeezing your shoulder blades down and together to start position. And we're going to make 6 inches circles moving forward slowly, about 20 times. Keep your neck stable. Try not to arch or leaning forward. And focus on squeezing your shoulder blades all the time. So I'm going to move back, show my back so you can see it in different angle. So we don't want to be here, but we're trying to really think about pulling the shoulder blades in down and together as we move the arms. Your arms really straight, your elbows are straight, your wrist straight. There is no compensation from the other part of the body. All right, so this is 20 times, eventually going up to 40 times as we get better. Again, so now second position, we're going palms up this time, same position with the hands. So now you're gonna go backwards. So following the direction of your thumbs, again, squeezing the shoulder blades down and together. Try not to bend the elbow like this or wrist, and keep coming. You're going backwards this time. This one is much harder for many of us. Think about squeeze the shoulder blades. If you're feeling your neck and your upper back, you can stop the movement, maybe starting 5 times, but doing it right. The rest of the body relax. Your neck doesn't arch, nice and straight. And one more. And that's it. And this called standing arm circles. Hope you do them right and enjoy. And if you're feeling more pain, just let me know. And always stop if you're feeling too much pain. And let me know with any comments. I'm happy to help. Thank you so much.